Good morning, guys. So today we're gonna be on the way for the first El Nido tour, Tour A. So we are kinda a bit late as always, so let's rush to the midpoint and yeah, see this beautiful El Nido. So guys, I'm so special that we have private tour guide and she is even the boss. So the boss of the agency will be my tour guide, right?
Because this is my first time going to island.
Oh, really?
So I'll go with my guest.
Ah.
Not first time.
So we'll enjoy your time now, huh? Nice. Dry bag? How much is dry bag?
This one 300 is small.
How much?
300.
300 and the big one?
The big one, this one 500.
500, huh?
You have a bigger one.
First of all, everybody, I would like to greet you, everybody. Good morning. Morning. Your morning still good, ma'am, sir? Did you take already your breakfast? So I.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. So the first place is this beautiful beach, 7 Commandos. Damn, looks epic, man. With this white, just this white sand, man. So deep in these palms, damn. Gosh. And these rocks up there, damn, just look at this beauty. Whoa, 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 whoa. Damn. We have like really epic rocks here, you know. This 7 Commandos beach is like, whoa, pure heaven, man. Like pretty enjoyable place. And you know, like flying from the drone to see this mountains on the top just looks so epic.
Island, there's a tunnel, and then one time there's a guest from the resort of Ayala. The Japanese people, during diving, he will die. That's why they composed the name of Japanese Shimizu. Okay, so 30 to 40 minutes snorkeling. After that, your lunch having there around 30 to 40 minutes. Okay, so enjoy, bang, sir.
Coconuts, what's the price? How much for coconuts? 100 peso? Later a bit, boss, later. Let me just walk here. Oh. Damn. Oh, guys, just look at this beauty, man. It's time to jump a bit into sea and to swim about this beautiful place. Oh guys, there is some big rocks here. Man, I don't like snorkeling, but this place is gorgeous for the snorkeling. Shit. You know? Going around these corals is a bit difficult. Yeah. Damn, man, these two rocks next to each other. Oh, it's so amazing. Damn, El Nido. Damn, El Nido. These rock formations are so beautiful, man. El Nido, you're so gorgeous, man. Wow, look this all rock formations, man. Damn. this incredible blue water, man. Like, wow, just all over the maze, like incredible blue green water. Wow. So looks like this will be our second stop where we can chill and wait for our lunch to be ready. After that we have 3 more steps. The big lagoon and other 2 things. I don't know what we're gonna visit. Yeah, but oh man, this is so epic. Looks like our meal is done. Start to smell really good. Oh, very good, huh? Very good. Good. Very nice. Very nice. So unicorn fish.
It's very delicious.
To you. Ah, yeah. People really have, you know, Filipino people really knows how to make birthday party and have fun.
Gaw, kisunod lang ka sa lubid gaw. Gaw.
Sige.
Ah.
Every boat here, there's a maximum time, just only 1 hour. So I think 1 hour is enough for kayaking and pictures and swimming. And mandatory life jacket, everyone, okay? And everybody, before you take kayak, just prepare your payment for the kayak.
Yeah. Ito pa, may isa pa. Next single. Kulang pa.
Single. How to jump in?
Meron pa, siguro. Meron yan.
Morning, pare. Welcome to my lagoon. Subscribe to my lagoon. Yes, guys, we are in the big lagoon. Kumusta ka, pare? John Binay. Pogi. Ah, Pogi, guapo and Pogi. Yes, guys, we are entering this beautiful place, this beautiful blue lagoon. It's just gorgeous. Yeah, guys, there is not many people here because looks like they're afraid to go there, you know. Wow, yeah, this one is crowded, but here it's damn just heaven. Wow. Really? Yeah. Oh shit. Damn, they're just entering this place. Damn. Hey boss, what's up? Oh, people go from this side, huh? Yeah guys, we're just enjoying this lagoon, man. Just look how beautiful it is. Oh, but it's a little difficult to go in. And then thank you, buddy.
You're welcome, sir.
Yeah, guys, this place is just so epic. I managed to fly a drone a bit, you know. Even there is low battery, even it was hard to catch, you know. I hope you enjoyed this place from above, man. This is just heaven. I just love this rock formation. It's so fucking gorgeous, man. It looks like so many people are just, you know, stick to that part when it's extremely shallow, but green and blue water. But this part is also beautiful, especially that big rock formations. Yeah, but exiting from this place, you can just see, like, you can just see, you know, in the background, like big rock formations. Yeah. Just gorgeous, man. Just freaking gorgeous. It will not be easy actually to get to the boat because, you know, the sea is pushing you back. This will be interesting.
But now we are not allowed fish feeding. Human feeding is possible. Yeah, it's very sticky. No, I'm good. But the thing, sorry.
Watch me do exactly the same thing.
Oh, the rocks here are really tough, man. Whoa.
The water is not here. Okay. Ready, 1, 2, 3. One more. Ready, 1, 2, 3.
Okay guys, we finished with the secret lagoon. It was a bit green, you know, and color was not nice, so let's better check the beach. So yeah, so we're entering this part where it's so beautiful, and you know, it's so fucked up that my drone is so empty, man, so I cannot fly around this area. It's really a shame.
Cargo, let's go! Iwan ka na dyan. Balikan ka na.
Just gorgeous. This place is beautiful, beautiful and epic. A lot of tourism, but still gorgeous and beautiful. Yes guys, we're gonna finish with this scenery in the beautiful secret lagoon, secret beach. Thank you for watching, liking, sharing.